Hi, my dear business partner. I am Ratan from Bangladesh. This is my new YouTube channel. Hope you are well. You are watching my small YouTube channel, clothing supply by BD Ratan. You will get daily updates on different types of ready-made garments products for sale from my small channel. Those of you who will outside of Bangladesh can easily purchase the product you need through my channel. I have lot of source of factories and factories go down. I have WhatsApp number which I given my video thumbnail. You can see my WhatsApp number from the video thumbnail. If you want to see more ready-made garments products offer, please send me knock in my WhatsApp. Lots of offer because it is not possible to make video of all products. So you will give me message in my WhatsApp. But I'm trying. I am giving my WhatsApp number. My WhatsApp number is +88017163627336. I'm talking about my WhatsApp number is +88017116362736. And my friends, please subscribe to my channel. Keep the notification on so that you can easily watch my video every day which I public every day. Anyway, friends, today I have brought you a small product. The product is baby short sleeve keeper. I am telling you the details of the products. The product's name baby short sleeve keeper, brand Lily and Lian. Total quantity 70,000 pieces. Style 1 as per image. Color 6 color, dear friends. Size 50 by 56 to 86 to 92. That means newborn to 24 months or newborn to 2 years. Fabrics 100% cotton. Interloop. GSM 160. Quantity one tag 3 pieces pack in carton. Occasion warehouse for sale not allowed. If you want to purchase these goods, you want to must purchase full quantity. That means 70,000 pieces. Dear friends, for your convenience, I have provided 2 video clips here. You can watch the video clips here. Dear business partner, here the first video clips I make from the warehouse go down. See, first video cartoon, hanger pack and short sleeve keeper. See this very nice goods. See, all are intake, all are shipment cartoon. It's made for buyer, but buyer does not take this. Any reason he does not take these goods, so it goods come from factory warehouse, so you can take easily. First see the video. This is cartoon, another cartoon. This is go down. See this, please see this. We are open another cartoon. Looking. See this cartoon. This is another style, another print. These goods all are very intake goods. It's made for buyer, but buyer does not take this any reason. See this print. See this intake 3 pieces pack. This is another style. See this, we are open few cartoon. This is another style, very look gorgeous. See this picture. And another we are looking. See this picture. This is another gorgeous. Dear friend, this is another video. See this video another.